arrive at this station in 5 minutes.
Did you hear what the station captain said? That's our train. Your brother is late. I can already see the train coming. I'm sure he won't be late.
This train will depart in 1 minute. All passengers should take their seats. The train is departing.
Oh, I'm so late. Hello, Mr. Station Captain. I have to be in London. What should I do?
Don't worry, the next train will depart for London in 5 minutes. But that train will also cross the river using a ferry.
It will take a ferry. All right, I must get to London, so it doesn't matter how I do it. Oh, that's good luck. I got on the train before it left.
Don't be in such a hurry. You forgot your luggage.
Oh, thank you very much, Station Captain.
The train is departing. My, what an absent-minded man. Meanwhile, the first train has already reached the bridge. Which crosses the river. The train is at the ferry station. Oh, look at that. Can it be possible? Both trains are crossing the river at the same time. Here we are now on the other side of the river. Wow. Both trains have arrived together in London at the same time.
Oh, hi, that's amazing. I caught up with you. Let's go sightseeing. Hooray!
Please, tourists, don't forget about your luggage.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Station Captain.
Here's the train station clock. It's nearly 8 o'clock and many citizens are going to work. Here comes the first train of the day. The airplane pilot is leaving his house to take the train that will take him to his job at the city airport.
The train is now departing.
Now the train arrives at the first station, and some passengers get off. But also some passengers get on. And the train continues its journey. Let's go. Meet the crane operator. He controls a big crane which is building a new car park in BRIO City. But our train driver continues his own job. He drives the train. The crane driver needs some stone for his construction job. This small green train will fetch it for him. Ready? Let's go! The car park construction job is going well. What's our airplane pilot doing? He's going up in the lift to the train station. He will take the train through the countryside to the airport.
All passengers should now take their seats. The train is departing.
The train has arrived at the airport now. The airplane pilot climbs the steps onto the airplane.
All passengers should now take their seats on the aircraft.
All the passengers are seated now. The cockpit is closed and the steps are removed. Now the plane is ready to take off. Let's go! Look, our plane is flying over BRIO City. Have a great flight. We are in BRIO City. It's morning time and everyone has come to work. This is a crane operator man. Let's find out what he does. He is operating a crane. The crane is lifting out gold rocks from the quarry. The train locomotive has arrived to collect the gold rocks. Here is a forklift loading truck. Now the loader loads this big truck with the metal rocks. Off goes the truck to a factory. Meanwhile, the crane operator is still working at the quarry. Oh, be careful, train. There are rocks on your railway tracks. Oh dear.
This train locomotive needs to be repaired,
But we can fix it. But we need a new train to continue working at the quarry. I will go to the factory where trains are made. Here is our new train. Let's unpack it quickly. Wow, what a smart new train. Okay, let's return to the quarry now. Okay, let's check the engine. Looks fine. Now I can attach the wagon and return to work with my crane at the quarry. Bye everyone. It's morning and a little blue car wakes up and drives out of the car park. He was parked on the second floor up, so a special car elevator helps the little car to go down. Down, down, down. Ah, here we are on the first floor. Now the car must go down one more level to the ground. Okay, now the little car drives out onto the road. But why have these two little cars stopped? Because of this. It is a train barrier. The barrier is closed, and that means a train is coming along the train tracks. Here it comes. And now the barrier opens again. Okay cars, now you can drive over the train tracks. Ah, stop please, truck. The barrier is closing again for another train. You will have to wait. I wonder what the coming train will look like. Oh, beautiful. It's a big, black steam locomotive. It's on its way to the quarry to collect stones and rock. Wait, truck, you must be patient. The barrier is still closed, so another train is coming along the tracks. Here it comes. It's a fast passenger train, and it is going to the train station with its passengers. And now the barrier opens again. Okay, truck, you can cross the tracks now. Now we are at the train station, and the fast train arrives. Come on, you passengers. The train will leave again soon. Don't miss it. Hurry up off the elevator. Off we go now. And here comes our big, black steam locomotive again. Do you remember where it was going? To the quarry. Here we are at the quarry. At the quarry, they are mining metal. This crane loads metal rocks onto the locomotive's wagon. And now, off the rocks go to the metal factory. And once the train has gone, the railway barrier opens again. OK, truck. OK, cars. Thanks for waiting. Off you go again. Hello. Today, Mr. Crane has brought us a railway train set for Christmas. Shall we unpack it? Look at all these exciting parts. Here is Choo-Choo, the little train. Hello, Choo-Choo. Here's a locomotive engine. First, here are some trees. Let's see how the train set is put together. Here are pieces of train track. Let's put them together. Here's Choo-Choo again. He's ready to ride around his train tracks. Off he goes. Oh, Choo-Choo started to drive on the road. Mr. Crane tells him he must go back onto his train tracks. But look, I need more tracks, says Choo-Choo. So let's give Choo-Choo some more tracks. That's better, says Mr. Crane Truck. Now Choo-Choo is very happy. Hey, I want a bridge to drive under, says Choo-Choo. Let's build Choo-Choo a bridge too. Look at Choo-Choo drive under his new bridge. Thank you, Mr. Crane, says Choo-Choo. And now everyone is happy.